Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name's Bri and today I will be creating this makeup look that you guys see here. It is my first fall makeup look. I love fall. You guys already know, probably from my previous videos, you guys can tell that I am super ready for fall. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. Okay, so one eye is kind of done, full face kind of done. But the two palettes that we are going to be using to achieve this look today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. Love this palette so much. And then also the Jaclyn Hill, the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill palette. This is from the Vault collection and it is in Ring the Alarm. I feel like this just pretty much screams fall. So first, as our transition shade, I'm gonna be going in with this shade from the Sultry palette. It's Birch. Such a pretty transition shade, you guys. It goes with a lot of looks, not just this one. So let me guys in a little bit more. I am using a Morphe brush from the Jaclyn Hill collection, and it is the JH32 brush. So I am blending this pretty far in, and I'm going up pretty high because this is going to help all the colors blend together. I will be switching palettes and I'm going in with this shade Alert. It's a very pretty like orange shade, and I am going in with the Morphe M514 brush, and I'm just going to be placing that right on the crease, and I'm not going so high, I'm keeping it pretty low. And you always want to start off with a little bit and then just go building it up. You don't want to go in with a lot because it's just going to be harder for you to blend, honestly. So now I'm going in with the bigger fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend everything out. Definitely want to use a light hand for this. Don't go in super heavy. Oh, now the same palette, this color Rush, we're going to be placing that on the lid. This is just like a lighter orangey color. I'm going to go in again with a darker orange shade and just put some more in the crease to darken it up a bit. And that's going to help blend out the lid color as well. Now I'm going to be taking that same brush that we used. It's just a smaller blending brush, the M514. And then with the shade Mugshot right here, which is a little darker. And I'm just going to be going right here in the crease to darken it up. And I'm not taking this too far in, just pretty much focusing on the corner right here. You always want to go back and blend. Blending is honestly very key. And I'm not using too many brushes. I don't find that it's necessary to use that many brushes when the look, I feel like it's very like, the colors are very cohesive, so it's not like, if we were doing a more intricate look, like, I don't know, like purples with like blues, and you want like a different brush for each color, then I would go in with different brushes. But since all these colors kind of mesh together, I'm not using as many brushes. You can get away with just using a few good ones. Going back in with the Sultry palette, and I'm going to use the shade Fresh, which is just a matte white shade, to highlight the brow bone. This also helps clean the eyeshadow up. Like say you went too high, you can just blend that brow bone further down. So honestly, you can just do the bottom shadow and then put on a pop in highlight in the inner corner and some lashes and call it a day. I think this would be a super pretty fall like matte look, but we are going to be putting a little bit of shimmer. Like I have it on this one and I feel like it's not, it just creates a small pop. Like when the light hits, it's not that big of a deal. Just going in with that shader brush that we used. And I'm going to be using the shade Tweak, brown bronzy. And I'm just going right in the center. I'm not like really going in on this. I'm just literally lightly tapping. Just so when the light hits, it kind of plays off a reflection. But I still want that orange shade to peek through. So I'm not really covering the whole lid. That's pretty much it for that shade. So just blending again, going back in. I'm going to go back and dip into Mugshot from the Jaclyn Hill palette and using the JH43 brush. And run that on my bottom lashes. Now I'm just going in with this smaller pencil brush. This is the JH40 brush. Going back into the Sultry palette with that first transition shade we used, Birch. I'm just going to dip into that. And then you want to connect, you want to smoke it out enough to connect like this top line to the bottom line. Now going in with this Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencil in the shade Demolition. It's just like a dark brown color. These are one of my favorite eye pencils. They last a really long time, and I'm just going to be going in to the waterline. And I really like brown pencils for the waterline. I feel like they just create a much softer look compared to black. I'm going to be applying these lashes. These are the Jenny 69 Batty B lashes in the style F-Boy. Love these lashes. They're so fluffy, but it still allows you to see the eye look. That's why I really like them. While my lashes get tacky, I'm just going to be spraying my face and adding my highlight. So lashes are on. Let me know if you guys would like me to make a video on how I apply my lashes. I get questions all the time asking me if I have extensions or how I get them like so close to my lash line. It's so easy, so I can make a video dedicated all to lashes, how to apply them, what lashes I recommend, and all that good stuff. Let me know if that's something you guys would like to see. Moving on to the lip color, I really like more of a brown, darker color for fall, and I think it would look so good with this eye look. So I am going to be going in with MAC lip pencil in the shade Cork, which is just a brown, and then just a Kim K lipstick in nude. But I'm gonna be pretty much applying this all over my lips and then just applying this like right in the center. Okay guys, so that concludes today's video. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys liked how I did like one eye off camera, one eye on camera, I can keep doing that for you guys, or I can do both eyes on camera. I also didn't include like my foundation routine and all that because I feel like I do the same steps all the time, so it can get a little bit repetitive. But if you guys want to see it maybe like in fast motion, let me know. If you guys want to see more fall makeup looks, comment down below. If you want me to incorporate certain colors with my eyeshadow, I can definitely do that for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, share this video with your friends and family, and turn on that little bell, that way you guys can get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It is linked down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys real soon.